Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIEVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an ICT class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is chapter 3, lesson from 18 to 21, and we will discuss multiple choice question now. So come to the board. First, from chapter 3, lesson 18. This is your revision class. So I have you know, or you have already gone through the passages of your textbook. So number 1, what is called the invisible security? What is called the invisible security? So from this above, we know that firewall is invisible security. Okay. Number 2, how many types of systems are there to identify a person in one line? That means how many processes are there to identify a person online. Okay, there are 2 processes. Number 3, hacking. Hacking is a what? You know that hacking is a crime. Number 4, which is called the white hat hacker. White hat hacker. Dear students, whenever you were reading on your textbook, on that time you find that a lot of hackers, and of them, what is white hat hacker? White hat hackers are those hackers who don't do any harm of the company or of the authority. So here would be ethical hackers. Okay. Number 5, how many years of imprisonment are there for hacking? How many hackers? That means if anyone hack illegally, then how many years he or she has to stay in the imprisonment? So the answer would be 3 to 7 years. Number 6, password should include what? Passwords should include letter and number, a special character, mix of lower and upper case, which on is correct. You know that to write any strong password, we need to help all these characters. So answer would be D, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now come to number 7. For the security of password, what we should to do? Number 1, use long password, use complicated password, change password regularly. You know that for the security we have to do all these 3 words. So the answer would be D. Sorry, yes, 1, 2, 3, D. Number B, 2 and 3, use complicated password and change password regularly. These 2, number 2 and 3. Okay. Number 8, the ethical hackers are what? The hackers which are called white hat hackers, they are called the ethical hackers. Like number 4. Number 9, what is name we use with the correct password? Is called LastPass. Okay. Number 10, when was Information Act enforced in Bangladesh? When was? You know that on your textbook it's written in 2009, the Information of Act enforced in Bangladesh. Now from lesson 19, where is cyber battle taken place? So the cyber battle always takes place where? In internet. What is KeePass? What is KeePass? KeePass is actually a password manager. The corruption is prevented. The corruption is prevented by what? The corruption is prevented by ICT. Spam is formed by what? You know that spam forms by email or through email. Which one is largest cybercrime? Which one is largest cybercrime? You know that hacking is the largest cybercrime. Now, chapter 3 from lesson 20. Which is the information communication website of Bangladesh? Which is the information communication website of Bangladesh? That means the official ID of information communication website of Bangladesh is www.infocom.gov.bd. Okay. Number 17. A very painful incident occurred in Bangladesh when 30 September 2012. Okay, on 30 September 2012. Now number 18. Which software you will use to find any information? Which software we have to use? We have to use application software. You know that application softwares are of two kinds: system software and application software. And to find any information, we need to help the application software. Now number 19. How is corruption done? Corruption is done secretly. Okay. Number 3. Chapter 3, lesson 21. Okay. What is data? What is data after obtaining from different sources called? If we collect any information from anywhere, then it's called information. Okay. The data which is gotten from anywhere is called information. What is formed for the implementation of Right to Information Act in Bangladesh? That is Information Commission. Okay. Number 22, and it's the last number. Right to information. Right to information or right to have information is personal information or information related government and establishment. And number 3 option is information important for the people of the state. So here these 2 and 3 would be the answer. So dear students, I hope you all have understood today's lecture, and for your better understanding you must practice it at home more and more. Up to this is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.